Tensions escalated in Mumbai's Mira Road area ahead of Bakrid following a dispute over goods being kept inside a residential housing complex. The incident led to protest, police intervention, and reported scuffles between groups of residents. The controversy took place at Srishti Complex in Puram Cluster 1, Mira Road. According to reports, some residents and members of Hindu organizations objected to the construction of a temporary shed within the society premises. The shed was allegedly intended to house goats for sacrificial purposes ahead of Eid al-Adha, also known as Bakrid. The objection quickly turned into a heated confrontation. Residents argued that keeping livestock inside a residential complex was against society rules. They also cited safety and hygiene concerns. Members of local Hindu groups joined the protest, increasing tensions within the housing society. Following the objections, the temporary structure was reportedly removed during the day. However, the situation did not calm down. Instead, it escalated further in the evening. Members of the Muslim community allegedly gathered to protest the removal of the shed. They claimed that preparations for the festival were being disrupted. A complaint was also lodged at the Kashmira police station regarding the incident. Police personnel were deployed to the location to control the situation. Officers attempted to separate both groups and restore the order. The area remained tense as both sides continued to express strong opposing views. Officials said that the dispute was linked to rules regarding the use of residential premises. Residents of Puram Estate Cluster 1 pointed to Bombay High Court guidelines. These guidelines restrict animal sacrifice in residential areas without prior permission and designated spaces. Authorities are reviewing whether any rules were violated. Police are also examining CCTV footage and statements from both sides. No major injuries have been officially confirmed at the time of reporting. The situation has now been brought under control, but tension remains in the area. Additional police deployment is being considered to avoid further incidents. Bakrid or Eid al-Adha is an important Islamic festival. It involves animal sacrifices as part of religious tradition. In dense urban areas like Mumbai, such practices sometimes lead to disputes over space permissions and local regulations. Officials have appealed for calm. They have urged residents to respect both religious sentiments and housing society rules. Dialogue between community members is expected to continue in order to prevent further escalation. The incident highlights recurring the challenges in urban housing societies during religious festivals. Authorities are monitoring the situation closely to ensure peace is maintained in Mira Road. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.